Hey everyone, I wanted to share a new coin that I purchased that this will function as a type piece for my Dansko 77 album. And I needed a pretty nice piece dollar, but I wasn't just going to go out and find like a 1922 or 23, a common date BU, because they grow on trees. They're very plentiful. So I went with a somewhat non-traditional date, a 1934D. It's not super rare. At the same time, in higher grades, it gets increasingly more difficult and it gets expensive. So I decided to go with this PCGS Mint State 62 example, which has a lot of luster, for the grade. I know they begin to get kind of beat up at this point. On this example, there's, a nick out here in the field, and you got a few of the standardized scrapes on the cheek, which breaks the luster, and that's just as a result of other coins clashing up against it. But in any event, this is a suitable example. A little bit about the 34D. There is, let's see, 1.569 million copies produced, which is a lot lower than some of the other dates. For example, if you were to look at that 22, you're at 51.7 million. 1923, you're at 30.8 million. So as you can see, it's always better to go with something a little bit higher. This coin right here, I paid somewhere in the neighborhood of 150, which, it's not bad. I was also looking at the super key dates, like a 21 in about the same grade, or 28. But you're talking about coins that are going to approach $1,000. And I just want something different out of the box in terms of a date. And the 34D definitely fits the requirements. The mint mark is, of course, right here next to the tail of the heraldic eagle reverse. Pretty nice coin, but I wanted to share this type piece for my album, and I'll be doing more of these. And this particular example has a couple cracks in the slab, and I'm fine with that because I'm gonna break it out of this thing and put it in the album. The reason why I do that is I want to assemble a raw album set and not just collect the slab coins, because the beauty is in the coin, not the slab. This just certifies that I'm getting a authentic example. So that's that. I appreciate your guys' time. Nice, quick, and easy video this morning. If you enjoy it, go ahead and hit the like button down here. That's one great way to support my channel. And as always, subscribe Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. A lot of great stuff, a lot of treasure hunting for the holidays that we're going to look through. And, I look forward to sharing my experience with you. You guys have a wonderful morning, and I'll talk to you soon.